Nowadays, developers are a bit kind of confused regarding
which language I choose for my artificial intelligence project.
Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Bikram Singh and you're watching AI Venture. And today I'm here to give you 4 reasons why you choose Python for your next big AI project. And first one is less code. The amount of code you need to write is pretty less compared to other languages. It's an estimation. Using Python, you can implement the same logic with as much as 1/5 of the code compared to other programming languages. Let me give you an example so that you can really feel it. Let me take you to Kaggle. By the way, Kaggle is a platform where you can find machine learning competitions to brush up your machine learning knowledge. And over Kaggle, we're going to check the Titanic one. So Titanic competition over Kaggle, probably the most famous and mostly preferred by the beginners. In this Titanic competition, we are given 2 data sets. One is training and one is testing. And our aim is to utilizing the training data set, we need to create a prediction on test data set. You know what? We have to predict the amount of people who are going to survive in this Titanic and the people who died. So I mean to say it's a prediction of people who survived and who died in this tragedy. So here we have the whole code, and here we perform few of the machine learning algorithm here too. By the way guys, I already put the GitHub link in the description where you can check it for your whole code and you can try it by yourself. And the last thing, purpose to show you guys this code is that if you redesign that very same code in some other language like C++ or Java, it is a lot much more longer. Probably in Java it's gonna make you mad. Second one is pre-built libraries. Python contains a lot of libraries which you need for your AI project. These libraries are NumPy for doing scientific computation, PyBrain for machine learning, SciPy for advanced computation, and Pandas for data analysis, NLTK for natural language processing and text processing, which is pretty powerful. As you see nowadays, most of the data that we humans are generating today is in the form of text. To process that data, NLTK proves pretty helpful. Some of the other libraries like AIMA now can be utilized for implementation of algorithms in artificial intelligence. Third one is support. Behind popularity of any language, not even Python, there is a factor called community of active coders, which plays a vital role in its popularity. The community support really helps you from the beginning to the development phase. And Python is pretty rich in that. They have a huge community. And fourth one is platform agnostic and flexibility. Platform agnostic, it's a term which is used for languages or mostly for software which work equally well across more than one platform. So Python is a platform independent language. Python is supported by many platforms like Linux, Windows, Macintosh and so on. With just few changes in your code, you can get your app up and running on a new operating system. This saves developers time in testing on different platforms and migrating code. Flexibility. Flexibility is one of the core advantages of Python. You can utilize Python according to your needs. It can act as a perfect backend language. You can use it for linking different data structures. You can use it for data manipulation or scraping data from different sources and many more. Having all those skill sets in the arsenal makes Python for sure for AI. I hope it clarifies your doubt regarding choosing Python for AI. If you guys find I missed out something, then please feel free to put them in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe AI Venture. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.